want to bring in CBS News correspondent Jonathan Vigliotti. He's on the ground in California. I'm not laughing, Jonathan, but it's just so weird to see you. I was looking at your shot, and I'm like, Viggs is in the snow in California. So I didn't even know you had winter clothes. What's the condition like where you are, beyond what we can see?
Yeah, I brought these winter clothes from New York, my days living and growing up in New York. So to give you some perspective here, parts of Southern California have received more snowfall in the past 4 days than New York City and the surrounding suburbs have received all winter long. We're here in the town of Phelan. This is about an hour and a half drive outside of downtown LA right now. Wow. 30 degrees, wind chill making it feel like it's 21 degrees. Even during a bad winter season, this area usually gets maybe at most about an inch of snow over the past 4 days. 8 inches of snowfall blanketing this area. We're here by the local high school. The school district has been closed down this morning as crews now respond, plowing out the snow. A lot of black ice, very dangerous. In the higher elevations and mountain communities, we're talking as much as 7 feet of snow. A rare blizzard warning was put in effect for the first time in 30 years. And it's not just the high elevations and the mountain communities that were impacted by snow. People waking up on Saturday in Los Angeles, including myself, looked at the Hollywood sign and there was a dusting of snow there. For people that did not get snow, there was a lot of rain and high winds, 75-mile-per-hour gusts at times, 2 inches of rainfall in downtown LA, which shattered a previous record set in 2008. There was a little bit of a break in the weather yesterday. The sun came out. People were outside. I saw some wearing shorts. There was no rain, but meteorologists saying that there will be more snow, more rain in the forecast in the coming days. The good news, if there is any here, they're saying it won't be nearly as bad as this weekend, but still more rain and more cold weather in the forecast in the days ahead.
So I got to ask you, I mean, is this area of California even set up to deal with snow like this? Do they have enough plows? Do they have salt? I mean, all that stuff.
Yeah, it's a good question. I think it's fair to say that the plows, the utility crews here are very much stressed by this extreme weather. So over the weekend, starting on Friday, about 100,000 people in Southern California in LA County lost their power. Today, 3 days later, 40,000 people are still without power. 2 of my friends included who are staying in our house because of how cold it is. If you can imagine without power, 40-degree lows during the evening, incredibly dangerous conditions for people that are in the dark. And even for people that have their power, a lot of homes here are not prepared for this kind of weather, do not have proper heating stored. So you have a lot of heating systems, those electronic, I forget what they're even called right now. It's so cold, my brain is freezing, in their homes to help warm up the rooms as the temperatures here. I mean, it's 40 degrees in Southern California. That is incredibly rare. The interstate, the Grapevine, which does get snow every season, it was closed down for 2 days because of just how much snow they got as the plows were going. And even when we talk about these high mountain communities and just how unusual it is, a lot of ski resorts had to actually close down because the roads were impassable in Northern California, Lake Tahoe. Avalanche warnings are still in effect. And again, more snow, several feet in the forecast for the high mountain areas.
Were you thinking of space heaters, Jonathan? Is that what you're thinking of?
I was. And it just came to my mind as I said that. I was going to say space heaters.
You haven't had to use that phrase probably in a number of years, so that's not a problem that you have to deal with living in California usually. Jonathan, thank you very much.
Usually. Thank you.